It is Ipsy Glam bag unboxing, unbagging, whatever it is. Because mine had a bonus item in it. It came a week later than everybody else's, so we're doing it now because it finally showed up. So let's get into this. Oh, there's my bonus item right off the bat, right on top. So, with Ipsy, basically, through doing social media interactions and reviews and such, you can earn bonus points towards extra products that you pick out on there. So, this time, I picked out this little guy, which looks like a very nice color, by Make Lip Gloss, and it doesn't say, oh wait, yeah it does, in Victoria Plum. So, hopefully it'll be good. Please tell me it doesn't smell wonky and chemically, because I hate it when they do. Ooh, it smells minty. Okay, I'm going to enjoy that. Alright. We'll review that another day, but that was item number 1. Now, for the actual bag. Oh, wait. It apparently didn't all fit in the bag this time. What? Well, let me show you the bag first, then we'll do the stuff that didn't fit in the bag, and then we'll do the stuff in the bag. So, here's our little bag for this month. Isn't it cute? It feels like it's made of canvas. Just says Ipsy on it. It's this light blue denim and white stripes with hot pink trim. Little ribbon on it, as usual for the pull tags. They're always different. I like that. That's really cute. And it feels nice and sturdy, and more importantly, it's not all plasticky smelling, so that's always nice. I'm opening this just to get the card out. So our card this month looks like this. New year, more products, more focus on you. January 2019 Ipsy Recharge. Welcome to our best year yet. We've got big changes coming your way. Here's a sneak peek at what 2019 has in store. Fab new features. Pick your passion. Now you can add up to 3 extra samples to your glam bag each month with add-ons. Ooh. And score new fab full-size steals with Glam Bag Plus. Well, I don't want to throw the money at Glam Bag Plus, as tempting as that is, but I mean, my financial situation should suddenly improve. I might look into that, but right now, no, because I think that one's like $20 a month instead of 10, so I'm like, I don't know about that. New ways to personalize picks. We're rolling out a new beauty quiz to learn more about which products you want each month. Keep an eye out for an invite to tell us your faves. Yeah, I haven't gotten that yet. Hold on, I gotta reply to this. Okay. More beauty brands you love. The products you see in your Insta feed and #want, we've got more of them coming, including Huda Beauty, Benefit Cosmetics, It Cosmetics, Sunday Riley, Glam Glow, and others. And then insider tips and techniques. Be on the lookout for videos and tutorials with tons of info and inspo for every single one of your products. We'll help you master your cat eye, step up your skincare, nail your mani, and more. I see what they did there. That's funny. Not really. It's kind of lame. Alright, well, let me put this down to the side. First of these, we've got this beautiful little brush. I want this out of here so I can feel it, though. There we are. Okay. Oh, that is beautiful. It has rhinestones on it, too! Oh my god. Okay, like, seriously, I'm 5 years old. Can we just appreciate how cute this freaking brush is? It's like clear acrylic with glitter in it. It looks all magical. We've got little teeny tiny pink rhinestones, and then this fluffy blue and pink brush on the end. I'm not quite sure what type of makeup brush this is. It might be for eyeshadow, it might be for blending. I'd have to look on the site to see. But oh my god, it's pretty! I'm so stupid. I know. I don't care. I think it's gorgeous, and I think it's so cute, so I'm happy I have that one. Next, from Ofra, I have a highlighter in Rodeo Drive, which I approve of the name, but we always know I don't really know what to do with highlighter, but here's what the packaging looks like. It's kind of big. I'm shocked. How does it open? Okay, whoa. Okay, this one might, for once, actually work on me. Like, maybe. It might be for a more tan person, but this might actually possibly work. And if it doesn't, I'll just wear it as eyeshadow. So, because it's a pretty color regardless. And there's a lot of it, so I guess we'll see how that does. It's magnetic, so that's why I was having a hard time opening it, apparently. So there's those. Not in the bag. We've got by Goldfaden, MD. Solution, skin balancing mask, botanical rich, refining treatment with malic acid, ginseng, and vitamin E. Dr. Goldfaden's supercharged skin perfecting mask works to revitalize and balance, leaving skin feeling soft, looking smooth, and appearing healthy. For problem skin and unbalanced aging skin. Hey! That's not nice, but still, maybe it'll work well. I hope, anyway. Should be easy enough to use. Set that down. I'm mildly insulted, but they just called my skin, but I mean, they're right. But I mean, still, look, ooh, what's this? By Belle on Argent. Very pretty box. What is this? Oh, it's lip gloss. Okay. What do we got? Do we have a color? In bored now. Oh, okay. Well, apparently we're bored now. Oh. Alrighty. That is so shimmery. So, can we just... I'm gonna block the metallic here. They're reflective. Now, can we see the iridescent pink shimmer in there? That's pretty. Ah. I like that. I like it a lot. But, again, doing the sniff nest for chemical smells. Oh. Well, 1 out of 2 ain't bad, so... the other one smells good. This one's like, oh, okay, hopefully I won't get cancer and die from using that. So let's just put that back in the box for right now and see what our last item is. Oh wait, there's 2 more items. Oh, I got a bonus one. Cool. I wonder if that was the Ofra thing. So we have Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation. This is the first time I've ever gotten a foundation from them. Broad spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen. In fair sand. That looks relatively about the right color, I think. More or less. Yeah, pretty close. Pretty darn close. Do I really know what I'm doing with foundation? Hell no, but I guess I'll figure it out and try it out. So that's a thing I got. That's kind of cool. And then, hold on. Okay, last one. What is it? Whoa. It's like a crunched up box. What the hell? It got all janky. But it's nail polish, so I think it's okay. It's by Color B, Williamsburg, the color of future. Is the color Williamsburg, or is that part of the brand? Huh. That's really weird. May contain a whole bunch of things. So this is not one of the organic ones, just throwing that out there, but look at it! Look at it! Like, it's hella dark, but I mean, it's shimmery blue and gorgeous. That is like, what would I even compare that to? That is beautiful, though. Okay, the color is Williamsburg. Does it look used, though? That's what concerns me, is this cap. It looks used. Like, can we see? Let me try and block out that light some. For the shadow. Yeah, now you can see them. That concerns me that somebody oh yeah, and there's like dirt on the bottle. What the crap? What the crap? I mean, I will still use this, but what the crap? It's also hella runny. Well, I don't know how I feel about that one. But I did get a free bonus item, so I mean, I can't complain that hard, but still, what the hell? Did anybody else get anything from Ipsy that looks used like that? Because, that's a first! That's a first, and you saw the packaging. That was exactly how it appeared in the bag. So, what even? I don't know. But anyway, that's what I got in my glam bag this month. So, tell me, what did you guys get in yours? If you're an Ipsy glam bag member, or did you film your own video? If you did, let me know, and I will go watch it. But yeah. you guys know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Instagram, my Twitter, Etsy, what all else is down in the description. And if you like what I do here on the channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.